A young woman walked down the street on her way home from work. It had been a long day. She felt tired, and her feet hurt. She passed a shop window and saw her reflection in the glass. She stopped for a moment and looked at herself. Her hair was messy. Her eyes looked tired. Her face looked dull and serious. She frowned. I look so tired, she thought. I don't look nice at all today. She sighed and started walking again, feeling a little sad. As she walked, a small child passed by with his mother. The child suddenly stopped and looked at the woman. His eyes grew wide. He smiled brightly. You look like a princess, the child said happily. The woman froze. She turned and looked at the child, surprised. Me? She asked softly. Yes, the child said with a big smile. A real princess. The mother laughed gently and apologized. I'm sorry, she said. He says whatever he thinks. But the woman was smiling now. It's okay, she said. Thank you. The child waved and walked away with his mother. The woman stood there for a moment, still smiling. Her heart felt lighter. She touched her hair and laughed quietly to herself. She looked again at the shop window. This time, she did not see a tired woman. She saw someone kind, someone strong, someone who had made a child smile. She continued walking home with a different feeling inside her. Her steps felt lighter. Her day felt brighter. She learned something important that day. Sometimes we are too hard on ourselves. We see only our tired faces and forget our own beauty. But a kind word, even from a child, can change how we see ourselves. And sometimes the world becomes a mirror that shows us something better than we expected.